In this video, we will see how to store elements in an array. So basically, in this task, we have to write a program to declare an array of size n and store the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, ... up to n in the array and return the array. So for solving this task, we have to first initialize an empty list. So here we create an empty list called ARR. This list will store the numbers from 1 to n. Next, we have to create loop to populate the array. So this line starts a for loop. It says for each number I in the range from 1 to n plus 1 do the following. Next is to append the numbers to the array. Inside the loop, this line adds the current value of I to the R list. In each iteration of the loop, I takes on values from 1 to n, so it effectively adds numbers from 1 to n to the list. Finally, we have to return the array. This line indicates that the function should return the RR list as its result. When you run this program, it will create an array of the specified size with numbers from 1 to n, and display the array as the output. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and don't forget to press on the bell notification icon, so that you will never miss an update. Thank you for watching this video.